Hello, in front of me I've got MGZS. In this video I'll show you how to check Windows manufacture date. Checking Windows manufacture date is crucial when you buy used car. Thanks to this you can know if the car was in the crash, if the window is younger than the car. In order to check window manufacture date, take a look at each window. Each window at the bottom has series of dots and number. The number is year of production. Dots indicate month of production. In this case, this window was manufactured in January of 2026. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.